real estate is visual. You have 3 seconds to catch a buyer's attention, and photos are everything. But not everyone has time for pro editing or the budget for a big retouching team. That's where AI photo enhancers step in. It sharpens blurry shots, brightens dark corners, enhances colors, and even fills in missing detail using AI models trained on thousands of photos. Here are some of the top AI photo enhancer tools available today. Remini, great for restoring old, blurry, or low-resolution images. Let's Enhance, perfect for upscaling and enhancing real estate photos. Topaz Photo AI, known for advanced sharpening, denoising, and upscaling. VanceAI, handy for one-click sky replacement and background enhancement. Luminar Neo, by Skylum, combines AI tools with professional-grade editing features. These tools are designed to save time when dealing with bulk property photos or tight deadlines. For real estate pros, this means faster editing, consistent quality, and images that stand out in the crowded online market. Let's break down how these tools work with real listings. Let's talk about Remini. It's best known for turning low-resolution or blurry photos into crisp, usable images. Whether it's an older listing photo or a quick mobile snap, Remini uses AI reconstruction to revive detail. You can use the mobile app or web version. Now, let's look at Let's Enhance. This AI tool focuses on upscaling and color correction. It enhances lighting, removes unwanted shadows, and adjusts colors to bring rooms to life. You can upscale images up to 4x without losing quality, making it perfect for large formats like flyers, brochures, and signage, real estate applications. So if you're editing 30 listing images for a property shoot, it saves hours. It even offers presets like Real Estate HDR to give you dynamic lighting and natural color tones, perfect for listings. AI tools are powerful. But let's be clear, they're not miracle workers. While they can enhance, they don't understand context. Want to remove a car from the driveway? Or stage an empty room with furniture? AI can't handle that, at least, not well. They also can't match custom branding styles, selective editing, or advanced retouching needs. AI is great for speed and automation. But when you need perfection, it's time to call in the pros. That's where PixelShouters comes in. They're a specialized team offering real estate photo editing services that go way beyond AI, from twilight conversions that add dramatic skies, to virtual staging that transforms empty rooms, to object removal and HDR blending. PixelShouters offers everything you need to make your listing stand out. Plus, their turnaround is fast, usually within 12 to 24 hours, and they're surprisingly affordable for the quality you get. They're a specialized team offering real estate photo editing services that go way beyond AI, from twilight conversions that add dramatic skies, to virtual staging that transforms empty rooms, to object removal and HDR blending. PixelShouters offers everything you need to make your listing stand out.